Hello everybody and a very warm welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video on the latest news from Microsoft Flight Simulator. For those who love flying the fly-by-wire A32NX, then I have some fantastic news for you today. Now, a very much anticipated and repeated request is a working VNAV system, or in the Airbus world means managed climb and managed descent. Now this has worked for quite some time and very well before in the experimental versions. As you know, there are three versions: stable, development and experimental. However, I know a few people don't like flying that version due to the implementation of new systems which can be quite buggy. Also, the experimental version should not be used on any network systems such as VATSIM, as this may cause issues when flying the aircraft. So the fantastic news is that the new VNAV system that has been used for quite a while in the experimental version is now available in the development version. And for those who would like to fly the development version, can have the confidence of a fully functional VNAV system. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but if you required further explanation, I may do a tutorial video on this at a later date. Let me know if that would be of interest just by simply leaving a comment down below. But the purpose of this video is to simply tell you all now about the VNAV systems. Let me show you quickly on the changes. So here we are in the cockpit. So if we go down to our MACD and click on flight plan, you can see on this short flight that we have the top of climb descent marker on there, and if we click further up we should have a top of descent marker there. So if we look on the PFD displays, which are slightly up here, so you can see the blue up marker, that is your top of climb. And if we just go up and slightly zoom out a little bit, go on to plan, not very bright but it's there, and that is an arrow pointing down but it's in white, which is your top of descent. I must point out that the great team at Fly-by-Wire have advised that this is stage 1 of their VNAV system, but are currently making constant improvements to the system. However, things like vertical navigation for RNAV and RNP approaches are not yet implemented, so those approaches will still be required to be flown in track FPA mode. Now obviously this is great news, and I know a few of you, me included, have been thinking that the Fly-by-Wire team have not been concentrating as much on the A32NX because of the pending A380 coming soon. But I can reassure you all that they are committed to this just as much as they did on day one, which is what we all want, especially as we also have the Phoenix A320. I would love to know what you all think. Which one do you fly? Or do you think that there's room for both in the simulator? So leave a comment below and let me know how you get on with this latest update. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, then please do leave a like, and of course if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos or any future live streams. Thank you once again. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye for now.